Okay, so this is all I do. I measure out the amount of chicken I want to put in it. I make up my recipes, so I don't really have exact ingredients, but I started with 400 grams of cooked chicken breast. I threw that in there, and I was assuming, okay, 100 grams of chicken will be 1 serving, so I'm gonna go with 4 servings. Then I added in purple grapes, chopped celery, a ton of chopped parsley, and then I start adding the creaminess with a blend of a mayonnaise and a Greek yogurt. I actually really love Miracle Whip. I'm probably like the only person I know. So I did light Miracle Whip mixed with 0% fat Greek yogurt, and I kind of just kept adding it to get to the creaminess that I personally like. I don't like chicken or tuna salad or egg salad really wet. I like it to be a little bit more of a, I don't know, a different type of texture. And then my spice choice, I did kosher salt, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. And then I just kept mixing it through till I got to what I wanted, the consistency, and I'll have it on a bed of spinach, possibly an open-faced sandwich, and it is as simple as that. Okay, so I get a lot of questions about how to build recipes like this into my Fitness Pal. So what I typically do is I measure it as I'm putting it in the bowl, okay? So I put my bowl that I'm gonna store it in on the food scale, and then I tear the food scale to 0. Okay, right now I'm gonna pull up my Fitness Pal. So I'm in the More button, and I'm under my meals, recipes, and foods, and then at the bottom it says create a recipe. That's where you're gonna click it, but then you want to create it as enter ingredients manually. So I go in there, I say, okay, it's Angie's chicken salad. I'll name it. I'll put how many servings. I'll say 4. And then you type in your ingredients. So as I'm weighing it, I'm putting in the ingredients. So for example, when I weighed out my chicken, it was 400 grams. And then I hit the 0 button, so it cancels it out. I add my purple grapes. I weighed in 200 purple grapes. So I'll put in 200 grams purple grapes. 0. Add in your celery. Boom. 0. And keep going like that. I do not put in parsley because it's like no calories. I don't put in spices or anything like that. And oh my goodness, I had a couple bites before I got on, and I think I put a lot of cayenne pepper in there. All right, it's still really tasty. That pepper just got me. And then once you're done and you build it in, you'll hit the little arrow at the top, and then it will tell you the macros per serving. So if you're gonna eyeball it and try to take out a 1/4 serving if you made 4, great. If not, what I would actually do is, I should have done this before. I should have weighed the weight of the bowl so then I could deduct from the total weight of all the ingredients. What you can do though is just take a different bowl, put it on the scale, move your entire mixture over there, weigh it, see what that weighs as a big batch, divide by 4, then you know when you're measuring it out, if you want it to be exact, how to measure each one of those out. And then it's as simple as that. So with what I just created, oh, hold on a second. I clicked my cheesecake cake batter dip, which by the way, I should probably do a video for that. It is a great summer dip recipe to bring somewhere. So hold on, let me pop in here. Okay, we are good. Perfect. Okay, so with what I measured out, and again, that was 400 grams of cooked chicken. Wait a minute, Mom, my chicken breast just said it was beef. Sometimes you gotta be careful and search for alternatives. Good thing I'm doing this on camera. You can see the real deal going down right now. All right, I'm gonna search for USDA chicken breast cooked. It's always accurate. All right, so let me get that. Perfect. 200 grams of purple grapes, 100 grams celery, 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip Light. I had a, it was 160 grams of the yogurt. So if you're looking at the label, it's like 170 per serving, so it's just slightly under that. And then moving on, for 4 servings, 233 calories, 4 fat, 12 carbs, and 37 protein. So if you're trying to get your protein in, this is a great way to do it. And then I'm gonna save and log it because I'm gonna have that for my quick and easy lunch. And that's it. So couple different chicken recipe ideas based on my mood with food in the summer season, how I just think, what am I in the mood for? And what are my staple ingredients? And how do I turn my ingredients into a meal in minutes? Today, it was chicken salad. So hopefully that gives you some good ideas. Drop me in the comments. Let me know if you make it or if you'd like to see any other ways that my brain thinks about food and meals and how I turn it into something tasty and delicious that still makes me feel nice and lean and healthy. All right, chat soon. Oh, and don't forget, if you like this channel and you like what I'm putting out there, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see future episodes.